Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
I shouldn't be standing with a heart that's so heavy. I shouldn't be up with all the weight that I carry. Don't know if it's right, but I'm sticking with you. You're my only vice, I'm dependent on you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Dreaming about the good days when you put me first, baby. When you used to call me just to say that you miss me. Don't know how we got here, but I blame you. And I blame myself just for sticking with you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul.
Fine down with the Merlot. You know I'm on the line with the sun low. You already know the vibes when I pull up.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, this has to be the easiest wig I have ever installed in my life, y'all, okay? So, but let me just first get into the details and specs. So this unit was sent to me by Asteria. So shout out to you, Asteria, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. Yes, we still beeping and beeping. Okay, y'all, we are. Honestly, y'all, I film a lot of units in the same day, so it hasn't been as long as you think, okay? But anyways, it says long curly wigs for women, invisible HD lace front wig. Invisible lace. Show me the laces. Look again. Show me the laces. Okay, so this unit is available in 14 to 36 inches. I have it in 26 inches. It is available in a 4x4 HD lace, a 5x5 HD lace, a 13x4 HD lace, and a 13x6. It is available in 180, 200, and 250% density. And I'm looking over here because, child, I'm trying to find my bag. Hold on. Because I don't want to tell you no lie. Okay, so they sent me 250% density. Let me. Go. You probably see thumbnail. You see thumbnail, sis. Go. This hair is thicker than my baby cousin Ashley. Like, she thick, girl. Okay, so yeah. They sent me 250% density. It says curly HD invisible lace wig. And I told you density is available in the texture. It's curly hair. It's a natural black. It is a medium cap size. And I am an average cap size. So let me go ahead and throw it out there. I feel like this unit is big cap friendly, but I think you can finesse it if you are a small cap size because it's a 5x5. It's a closure. Now, if you get the 13x6, 13x4, honey, I don't know. But I do feel like you can make it work across the board. You may have a lot of room in the back or whatever. If you are a smaller cap size, my little cousin is a smaller cap size, and any unit that is average that I kind of feel like can still work with her, she does have that extra room. So what she'll do is get a band sewed in. So I just want to throw that out there, girl, because I only got the head that's on my shoulders. Okay, I only got the head that's on my shoulders, and this is an average cap size. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, let me keep it a whole buck with y'all. This hair, y'all, as much hair as it is, y'all, I swear, there was no tangles. Let me say it again for the people in the back. There was no tangles. And you know, I would tell you if it tangled a little, if it tangled a lot. I would tell you, girl, because I don't care. There were no tangles. I don't know. It's the softest hair. Y'all, no lie. As far as shedding, I think it did shed a little bit. Like, I expected units like this to shed a little bit. But, honey, did you hear me say there were no tangles? There were no tangles, girl. Okay? Woo! Chat. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Now, as far as the hairline, y'all, this lace and this hairline, all of that, this unit woke up like this. Now, I did see that they, most people use baby hairs and utilize baby. Honey, this hair don't need no baby hairs. You can if you want baby hairs, you can do it. But this isn't a unit that requires baby hairs. And I always, whenever I say a unit doesn't require baby hair, that means that hairline is hairlining. Okay, girl? Like, oh, girl does not need baby hairs. This hairline is hairlining, okay? So, shout out to them for that. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons, as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. So my con, y'all, the only con I can honestly think with this unit is that it's a lot of hair. And I don't do well with a lot of hair. I'm somebody's mama, honey. Okay, now when me and Bae going out on date night, this is hair. Okay, this is the hair that I want to wear. But honey, it's Thursday. It's a Thursday. My son has practice. My daughter wants to bake freaking gingerbread houses. You know what I'm saying? So it's a con for me just because of that. Now this is some good date night hair. I just had to throw you a con. Okay, it's a lot of hair. That's gonna be my con. That's the only thing I can think of. Now, honey, my pros are endless. First of all, the hairline is hairlining. Second of all, it's a closure. If you know me, then you know I live for a closure. Third of all, this hair was the easiest hair I have ever installed. Like, y'all, I did bleach the knots, but honestly, I think I could have got away with not even bleaching the knots. All I did was throw over. I actually filmed another video, which was Synthetica. And y'all know the Syntheticas are, they that easy, that fast. This hair was faster than my Synthetica, okay? The longest part was maybe adding mousse. I don't know. Like, literally, y'all, this hair was super easy to install. Like, the pros are endless. The curls, how soft the hair is, how it feels. Asteria, y'all did that. Okay, you did that. So yeah, those are my pros. Child, we can speed through this portion. We can speed through this portion. Yes, I would recommend this wig. Obviously, I would recommend this wig because this wig is everything. For the same reasons that I said the word pros, that's the same reason I would recommend this wig. Okay, boom. All right, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4", so this is where the hair comes to me. And this is it on the right side. Now, obviously, I do want to go ahead and let you guys know I wasn't going for the wet look. I wanted it to be sort of full, but not like super big, but I wanted it to be kind of, you know, more of a full, fluffy look. So I didn't go for the wet look, so I didn't apply any gel or any of that. You can achieve that look with this unit, and you can see it somewhere. Like, if you click on the link down below, I may put it on the screen, but if I forget, then just click the link down below and you will see the wet look as well. You can do that and achieve that with this wig. I was just in my Diana Ross bag, girl. So I wanted the big full fluffy hair. So I just applied Cantu Mousse. So I want to throw that out there as well. But yeah, that is it. Y'all let me know what you think about this unit. Let me know if you love this wig as much as I do, because honey, I can't. I keep looking at myself, and there's only two reasons I look at myself. It's either I hate the wig and I'm like, ugh, or I love the wig and I'm like, girl. So obviously I love the wig. So let me know if you love the wig as much as I do. Comment down below. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box. for your convenience. Once again, shout out to YouTube. I'm so happy I can't even talk. Shout out to you, Asteria Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not talking about my red sand. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HeltoMissy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Looks your love completely. Got every style and weekly.